In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what you actually need in order to make money online. I know there is a lot of information out there, but for me, this is the easiest way to make money online. And I'm going to let you know everything that you need. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing which are the things that you need if you really want to make money online. This is going to be for beginners. So if you are something new on this and you're looking for information, definitely this video is for you because it's newbie friendly. Okay. I know that out there are many ways in which you can actually make money online. I'm going to be sharing with you what you actually need based on my experience. Just in case that you don't know, well, I actually restarted my online business back on 2018. And the reason why I actually decided to go with this way of making money online is because at that time I had two full-time jobs. So I was not looking for a third full-time job because, I was really, really tired. So I was looking for something that I can do in the least amount of time and it can help me earn some extra money. So if you're in the position in which you want to earn some extra cash, definitely this is for you. If you want to be able to replace your full-time job, if you're really committed with yourself and you're really committed with your success, you are going to be able to do it. Why I'm telling you this? Because there is a lot of opportunities there and people are, getting overwhelmed with the shiny object syndrome. Okay. And there's so many opportunities. So now let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. And I want to know, I want to let you know which are the things that you actually need in order to make money online. And don't worry, these are budget friendly. Okay. First of all, you need to know that you will need to have a product. And let me put a pause here. You don't need to create a product, okay? You don't need to order for an inventory, okay? You just need a product that you are going to be promoting. This can be a product or a service. This can be a physical product or this can be a digital product, okay? And it doesn't matter where you guys are from. There are tons of opportunities and tons of companies out there who are willing to pay you a commission if you decide to go ahead and promote the product. Okay, those commissions are going from literally 30% to even 100%. Okay, so where you can find the products? Well, if you go with physical products, you can go with Amazon. Okay, they have what is called the Amazon Associate Program, and you're going to have the opportunity to choose a product that you like, and you're going to have what we call the affiliate link. Okay, you can also go to Flex Offers. You can go with flexoffers.com, and you're going to have the opportunity to promote their products. What you're going to be here, you're going to be what they call a publisher. Okay, the advertiser is the actual company who is going to be paying you, but you are going to be here and you're going to be a publisher. Okay. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I know at the time it can be a little bit confusing and chances are that you're like, okay, I don't know which one should I go with. Okay. So you are going to be here a publisher and you can sign up for free. Another company or a website in which you can find products to promote. And these are physical and digital products. Okay. It's called Impact. You can go to impact.com and you're going to have the opportunity to refer their products. Okay. Here on Impact, you are going to be what they call a partner. Okay. Not a brand, but a partner. And also they have it here at the top, which is going to be publishers. Okay. So you're going to be here in publishers and you're going to be here an affiliate. Okay. A really popular website out there in which you can find products to promote. Here you're going to find really good physical products and really good digital products. It's called ClickBank. You can go to clickbank.com, and if you decide to join, you can go here where it says affiliates, and you're going to start here where it says affiliate start here. Okay. Here we also have CJ or commission Junction. Okay, you are gonna have here on Commission Junction. You're just gonna click here where it says get started, and you're gonna have the opportunity to promote their products. And also you can go with ShareASale. Here on ShareASale, you're gonna notice that they call us the right way. They call us affiliates. Okay, so this is the one that you are gonna go with. Also, you are gonna be able to choose here where it says monetize your content. Okay, so these are some of the websites, because there are tons of websites out there. There are also other websites that we call private affiliate offers, that they're not listed on these kind of websites. For example, if you go to Lego, if you go to Nike, they have their own affiliate programs. Okay, so now that you have a product that you would like to promote, there are other things that you need. Okay, and one of them is what we call a funnel. A funnel is a two-step page. Okay, literally, you're gonna have this. You're gonna have a page in which you are gonna be delivering something for free. Okay, in which we're gonna be asking people to let us to share with us their name and email address, and then you're gonna have another page that we call the bridge page. Here you can have a video or you can have a text explaining the opportunity, and after that, they go, oops, they go here to your affiliate link. Okay. They go here to your affiliate link. The reason why we do this is because, if you notice, all these websites that I previously shared with you, they have tons of products that we can promote. So this is not a one-time opportunity, but this is a real business. Okay. So that's the reason why we like to create this. If you really want to have success with your online business, definitely this is something that you need to do. Which tool do I suggest you to go and use to create it? Well, I use one that it's called ClickFunnels. I'm going to be leaving a link below if you want to open a 100% free account. Okay, so you can give it a try. It's actually a free trial. And it's a 14-day free trial. That's the tool that I'm actually using. But if you are just getting started and you want something newbie friendly and budget friendly, definitely you should go and check out System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below as well. With System.io, they recently did some updates. If you have been checking some of my my videos before, now they call the funnels, or you can find the funnels here on their websites. Okay, you're going to have the opportunity to create here what they call a sales funnel, and you're going to notice that they will have tons of templates. Okay, and one really nice thing about this website, what I like it, is the fact that it's a drag and drop builder. So you don't need to have any kind of coding skills. As you notice, you don't need to have any kind of design skills, and you're going to have the opportunity to create these two pages. Okay, the squeeze page is the first one, which people are going to be letting us know their name and email. And then thank you page is the one that I show you that is go after. There are templates for those pages as well. So again, you don't need to be a designer. You don't need to be, you don't need to have any kind of tech skills, coding skills. Literally, these are friendly, and these are drag and drops tools. Okay. Another thing that you need is what we call an email list. Okay. You're going to be building an email list. That's why people are leaving their name and email here. The tool that I actually use to host my list, it's called Aweber. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account, okay, with Aweber, okay? But you can do this with System.io. Here, you're going to notice that they have here emails, okay? So you can go and have everything here on System.io. System.io is definitely an all-in-one marketing solution, and is really, really friendly if you are getting started. Again, the reason why we're doing this is because we're going to be capturing people's name and emails, and you're going to have the opportunity to send them an email with all the products that you can promote. Okay. And you can promote them from different websites. You're not going to be like, okay, just going to promote just products from ClickBank. No, you can promote products from ClickBank, from Impact. You can promote products from Commission Junction. Okay, so you're going to have tons of opportunities. But if you don't capture their name and email, you're not going to have the opportunity to do that. Okay, and something really, really important. I'm going to make a pause here before I reveal you what else do you need. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell. Remember that I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. If you want to learn more about this and what's my number one recommendation to make money online, you want to learn more in depth, I'm going to be leaving a link below as well. Okay, with that said, uh, what else do you need? Well, you need something that I'm pretty sure you have right now. It's a social network. Okay, you can open a TikTok account. You can open an Instagram account. You can open a YouTube channel. Okay, and there are other networks as well. But with those, you can go, and also Facebook. Okay, you can create 5 or 7 second videos. You don't worry, they can be faceless. If you don't want to show your face, that's okay. Okay, and with that said, we're going to be attracting people here to our ecosystem. Okay, we're going to be attracting them to our ecosystem. So we're going to have more opportunities to earn money online. Okay, so this is literally what you guys need. Again, if you want to learn more in depth of how to set up everything, how you can partner with this program and all this stuff, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, so if you enjoy this content, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with someone you think he or she might be interested in this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.